Hey, what's up? This is Corey, Mr. Safety from SMP Films, and this video is for you guys out there that want to learn how to get more views on your YouTube videos. Now, for those of you out there who don't make videos or you don't care about getting more views, do not watch this video. It's going to be a waste of your time. But for those of you out there who do want to know, I've compiled a big list of things that I know for a fact will get you more views, because these work for me and have worked for me in the past. So, and also I want to let you guys know that this is not a BS list. In other words, it's not a list that says you have to have boobs to get more views, or you have to show cute fuzzy animals like this. Two bunnies are cuter than one. I said two, damn it! No guys, this is a real tutorial, and this will help you out. I promise you will learn something. So let's get down to it. The first one is, to get more views, try posting some tutorial videos. Now, what I mean by that is obvious. This is a tutorial video. Tutorial videos are really good because, number one, it's information that people need. If you're really good at something, then talk about it, because I'm sure somebody else out there, or a lot of somebody else's out there, might want to, know about it. For example, I wanted to know how to use my Mac, because I just bought a Mac and I came from PC, so I looked up on YouTube and I found a guy named Brad O'Farrell made a video about how to use Macs, and I thought it was really, really cool. So, or you can learn how to rip a phone book in half. Now me, look at this, I got like 2-inch garden hoses, right? I'm not a strong man, but I know how to rip a phone book in half because of a YouTube video. So yeah, make a tutorial video, it's very good, and it'll help a lot of people. It's just altogether a great thing to do. Another one, don't discriminate against people. If you want to get more views, don't discriminate against people. For example, my videos are viewed by a lot of gay people. Now, I'm not gay, I've never thought about being gay, but I get a lot of those viewers. And I would never want to chase them away. Why? Because I'm an entertainer. And what I mean by entertainer is, okay, if you're watching this video right now because you want to get more views, it means that you are an entertainer. And if you're going to entertain, then entertain everybody. I mean, some people, want to discriminate for entertainment, but we'll get into that a little bit later. Also, I want to talk about subscribers. Now, a lot of people think subscribers are the most important thing about getting more views. It's not the truth. It really isn't. Let me explain it. Basically, subscribers, and forgive the metaphor, subscribers are like a car battery, okay? Subscribers are good when you first post your video, because subscribers will see your video and comment on it, usually within the first few minutes the video is posted. And what that does is it gets you into the most discussed list. And once you're in that list, then more people that have never heard of you can come to your video and leave comments or watch it and all that good stuff, and you just get higher. The higher you are in the most discussed list, the more views you're going to get from new viewers. Here's a good example. If you have 50 subscribers and you have a video that gets like 2,000 views, then where did all those other views come from? There's a good chance that you ended up on the most discussed list, or you just had a good title or something like that. A lot of it just has to do with showing up on lists. So subscribers aren't all that important, but they're very good to have. Also, I want to talk about collaborating. Now, this is one thing on YouTube that not many people seem to do. I know there are people out there, but not many people are collaborating. Why is it important? Because think about it. If you collaborate with somebody, then all their viewers and your viewers are going to watch the same video, which means you're possibly gaining all these new viewers. It's really good to do. And the more people you collaborate with, the more these viewers will come together. Okay? And so yeah, and it's fun too, and you make some good friends. Speaking of friends, making friends on YouTube is a good thing also, because you know how like when you go to somebody's profile it says send message, add as friend, and all that good stuff? Add them as a friend. The reason is because, let's say you make a video that is for a contest or something, right? Your friends that you post bulletins to will possibly help you out when you need somebody to rate on your video. It'll possibly win you contests and stuff like that. Now, I'm not saying do every contest and like add a gazillion people to your friends list, but it's a good thing to have. That's all I'm gonna say. It's a good thing to have. Especially when you don't have very many subscribers. Having friends is a good thing. Create discussions. Now there's two parts to this I want to talk about. Creating discussions is good. A positive discussion. For example, I posted a video one time called "How are you doing?" and it caused this big discussion because people were like, well, first of all, they would comment back and say, "I'm fine, how are you?" You know, but the big discussion was, why do people say that? Da 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 da. Anyways, it got a ton of comments, so by creating a discussion, it got me on the most discussed list. Okay, you get the idea. I've kind of went into that already. Okay, another one is video responses. Getting video responses is very important, and it's almost like taking discussion or comments to the next level. If you get video responses, it's probably because you inspired somebody, or they just really had something to say to you that couldn't be put into words. You know what I mean? So the reason you'll get more views from a video response is because that person's video and viewers, those people, they're going to come over to your video and watch to see what you're saying, obviously. And as long as that person's video is up and yours is up, you'll still get you know, people going back and forth. So that's good to have too. And the more video responses you have, obviously, the more views you'll get. Center frames and titles, very important. Remember that. Another one. In your comments and sometimes in videos, you'll get people that hate on you. Now, hate is nothing new on YouTube. A lot of people have gotten hate. But let me remind you that hate is good. People hate you because something about your video impacted them enough to say something. If they didn't comment on your video and they just clicked off, then obviously you kind of sucked. Okay? Let's be honest with you. So the best thing to do to get more views is to avoid these hate comments. I'm not saying block them. I'm not saying, you know, like, you know, remove the comment. I'm saying do not respond to them, because if your positive energy to make videos is being used to respond to these hateful people, then you're wasting your time. You're just wasting your time. And getting back into hate, this goes with hate and creating discussion. Some people out on YouTube are just on there to create a drama. You know what I mean? There are people, I'm not going to say names, but they'll cause drama in the community because they're trying to get more views. This is bad for people because, first of all, it's short-lived. Okay, there's not many people out there that create drama that lasts too long. Also, it doesn't really get you very far. Another bad thing about this drama is it's unforgettable. And what I mean by that is, let's say later down the road you want to turn positive. You know, you don't want to do this hate stuff anymore. Well, unfortunately, your old videos are on YouTube. And if they're not on YouTube, I'm sure somebody else copied it. So don't put yourself in a situation to where people are going to quote your old words. You know what I mean? If you start looking like a prick, then you're always going to be a prick somehow. I've made the mistake. I've done some stuff before that like made me look bad, but that's the past, and I learned from my mistakes. Hopefully you can learn from yours too. But they weren't that bad, don't worry. Another thing, a really important thing to get more views is obvious. Be consistent. If you post videos at least once a week, then I think you'll be okay. The reason I say be consistent is because obviously if you're posting videos, people will come back and watch because they know that, hey, this guy is, this guy's posting videos. He's active on YouTube. I'll just watch him. And maybe they'll even subscribe to you, which is a good thing. So be consistent. You'll get more views that way. Also, about consistency, don't be too consistent. In other words, don't post more than 2 videos a day. You know what I mean? And just don't post too many videos. It's called spamming, and it can get annoying because when somebody subscribes to you, your videos pop up on this little bar that shows them who they subscribe to, and there's only 4 spaces. If you show up on 2 of those spaces, you're kicking out 2 of the other people they subscribe to. So they'll get pissed at you, and they will unsubscribe and not watch you again. Well, they might, but good luck. Another one here is be addictive. In other words, make a video that they'll come back to. If they have to watch the video twice, then dude, that's 2 views. That's awesome, you know what I mean? And also, maybe leave the ending of the video open to where they might want to watch the next video. So try doing like a series or something like that, you know, or maybe like a follow-up to the video. That'll get you more views for sure. Here's a good one, not many people realize. Know your audience and the time zones that they're in. So for example, if your main audience is watching you at, let's say like 8 o'clock p.m. California time, keep this in mind. If you want honors, for example, the most discussed and the most viewed, you're only going to be able to be on that list for 48 hours after you post the video. And I'm talking 48 hours to the hour. So if you post a video at 8 o'clock p.m., the prime time for the people that watch you, then 2 days after that, you'll be on top of the list. And those people that watch you will be going to that list and they'll find you and you'll get more views. If you posted at 2 a.m., then who's going to watch you? Your prime viewers are already asleep. So try to find out, do some tests and find out who's watching you at what times. It's kind of a neat thing. Let's try to wrap this up. This is the obvious one right here. Be creative and have fun. And here's a big one right here. Do not be afraid to post your videos, no matter what people say. Guys, haters, like I said before, are short-lived. They're not going to stay on you forever. As a matter of fact, when they hate on you, take that as like, it's going to make you stronger. The more hate you get, the more you're just like hard-headed, and you're gonna get through that. It's like building your muscles. It comes with a little pain, you know what I mean? So take the hate, don't listen to them, and if you do stop posting videos, they win. In other words, they own you. They told you what to do. If they wanted you to stop posting videos and you stop posting videos, then they owned you. So don't let them own you. Be yourself, be creative, have fun. And another thing, if you do something that you're trying to be original with, remember that everything's been done before. In all different types of ways, but if somebody accuses you of being like somebody else, don't listen to them, man. Don't listen to them, because as long as you know in your heart that you were creative with this, just keep going with it. Who cares? Okay, and the last one, the biggest, best way is to get featured. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you, I have no idea how to get featured. I think it has to do with luck, or kissing YouTube butt, okay? This video looks like it's kissing YouTube butt, but I promise you it's not meant to kiss YouTube butt. But if I get featured, cool. But anyways, thanks for watching my video. I hope this helped you out. So yeah, my name is Mr. Safety from SMP Films, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.